Welcome, it's Tablescape Tuesday, hosted by the lovely Anna from Grace Life, Home Decor DIY, and Courtney from Amethyst Adventures. This week we have the privilege of decorating our table freestyle. I chose the beautiful Chinoiserie pattern and orange. I hope you enjoy. For some reason, I'm all about adding different colors, changing up my palette. I don't want everything to be so matchy. I chose this beautiful eucalyptus table covering. I think this color goes very well with orange as well as the blue in the Chinoiserie pattern. As you see, we've already started getting things on the table. My floral, I love it. It's mainly Dollar Tree items. So we're going to add a few Dollar Tree pumpkins, plaid, and then I have some ceramic pumpkins that I bought a few years ago. Here are my orange plate chargers. We're going to add some Dollar Tree white ceramic plates on top, and then we're going to top them with another pumpkin colored salad plate. Now, to top things off, to stay into the Chinoiserie, we're putting that very nice blue patterned Chinoiserie. It looks very elegant. Here are my blue wine goblets, which also came from the Dollar Tree. They no longer sell them, unfortunately, but I was glad that I got them way back when. Here are my white napkins with just a simple napkin ring. I went in with my silverware, and it looks like my table is complete. I think everything has come together so nice. This is something I could definitely put into use for my Thanksgiving dinner table. Make sure you go by each participant's channel, go to the playlist, watch all the videos to the end. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Now, one thing that I did do a little bit extra, I went ahead and I decorated my sideboard. I'm not going to say a whole lot of this pattern, but I just thought it would give it a complete look to decorate the table as well as the sideboard. Okay, we have made it almost to the end of the video. I hope you like what you see. I hope this has inspired you. If you haven't started decorating for Thanksgiving, you still have time. Things are on sale at the store. I want to thank you so much for watching and your continued support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Be safe and be blessed.